Looking to sculpt your jawline? These 5 exercises can help strengthen your facial muscles, giving you a more defined and muscular look. Let's dive in. Think of this as a crunch for your neck. Press your tongue to the roof of your mouth, tuck your chin, and lift your head just 2 inches off the ground. Start with 3 sets of 10 reps. This strengthens the front neck muscles, helping define your jawline. This exercise targets the muscles around your throat. Keep your head level, pull it back slightly, and hold for a few seconds. Do 3 sets of 10 reps, then work up to 30-second holds for maximum results. Place your tongue against the roof of your mouth, press firmly, and start humming. This activates the muscles under your chin. Try 3 sets of 15 reps and feel the burn. Exaggerated vowel sounds work the muscles around your lips and jaw. Open wide and say "oh", then "e", without touching your teeth. Do 3 sets of 15 reps for a tighter jawline. For the final move, push your lower jaw forward, lift your lower lip, and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Feel the stretch under your chin? That's your jawline getting sharper. Repeat for 3 sets of 15. Jawline exercises help, but don't forget fitness, cardio, and a balanced diet for the best results. Subscribe for more tips and start your jawline journey today.